Are you ready to change the game? Have you been sitting on the sidelines, dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but feeling overwhelmed? Maybe you think you don't have the time. Maybe you think you don't have the skills. Maybe the amount of work feels impossible. Scripting, recording, editing, designing. Everything you thought you knew about content creation is about to be disrupted. Welcome to Neuro AI. Today, we're demolishing those barriers with AI. This isn't another jargon-filled tutorial. Forget all that. This guide is made for you, the aspiring creator, the busy professional, the entrepreneur building a brand with limited resources, a clear step-by-step process anyone can follow. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to create and upload a high-quality YouTube video in minutes, not days. We'll use practical AI tools that do the heavy lifting, turning ideas into content fast. What to expect? Full workflow, start to finish. Generate a killer video idea and plan your content. Write a compelling script. Generate a professional, human-like voiceover. Create stunning visuals. Edit everything into a polished final product. Design an eye-catching thumbnail. Publish and promote your video so it reaches the audience it deserves. Every step broken into simple, actionable tasks. My goal at Neuro AI is to empower you. The creator economy is exploding. AI is the great equalizer. You don't need a fancy studio or production team. All you need is a great idea and the right AI tools. So, buckle up. Get ready to take notes. This will save you hundreds of hours and unlock new creativity and productivity. Let's build your first AI-powered YouTube video right now. Step 1. Choosing your battlefield, topic and audience. Step 2. Unleashing the idea machine with AI. Step 3. Validating your idea. Is anyone listening? Step 4. Forging the blueprint, brief and headline. Every great video starts with a single, powerful idea. But not just any idea. It needs to be the right idea for the right people. Before we even think about touching an AI tool, we need to define our battlefield. Who are you talking to? What do they care about? This is the foundation upon which your entire channel will be built. You can't be everything to everyone. Trying to do so is the fastest way to get lost in the noise. Instead, you need to find your niche, a specific group of people with a shared interest or problem. Think about what you know, what you're passionate about, what you're willing to learn. This is your starting point, your unique corner of the YouTube universe. So, how do you pick your audience? Let's get specific. Are you targeting beginner photographers who want to learn manual mode? Or maybe you're aiming for busy parents looking for quick, healthy meal prep ideas? Perhaps your audience is small business owners struggling with social media marketing. The more specific you are, the better. A narrow focus allows your message to resonate deeply. It helps you become the go-to expert in that small pond, which is far more powerful than being just another small fish in the vast ocean of general content. Write down 3 to 5 potential audiences you could serve. Don't overthink it, just list them out. This clarity will be your compass for everything that follows. Now, let's connect that audience to a topic. Your topic should live at the intersection of what your audience needs and what you can provide. If your audience is beginner photographers, your topics could be 5 common mistakes new photographers make, or understanding the exposure triangle in 5 minutes. If you're targeting busy parents, topics like 7-day lunchbox plan for kids, or 30-minute dinners your family will actually eat are perfect. The key is to solve a problem, answer a question, or satisfy a curiosity for your chosen audience. This alignment is critical. It's the difference between creating content that gets ignored and content that builds a loyal community of subscribers who can't wait to see what you post next. Take a moment right now, pause the video if you need to. Choose one audience and one problem you want to solve for them. This initial decision is the most important one you'll make in this entire process. It sets the stage for the AI to work its magic effectively. Without this human-led strategy, even the most powerful AI is just a tool without a purpose. You provide the purpose. The AI provides the speed. Alright, you have your audience and a general topic area. Now, it's time to unleash the creative power of artificial intelligence. We're going to use a large language model, like ChatGPT, to brainstorm a list of compelling video ideas. This is where you go from a vague concept to a concrete list of potential bangers. The secret here is in the prompt. You can't just ask for video ideas, you need to be specific and give the AI context. Tell it who your audience is. Tell it what their pain points are. Tell it what kind of video you want to make. A good prompt is like giving a master chef the perfect ingredients. It enables them to cook up something truly special for you. Let's look at a concrete example. Imagine our channel helps people use AI for business growth. Our target audience is non-technical entrepreneurs. A powerful prompt would be, act as a YouTube content strategist. My channel, Neuro AI, helps non-technical entrepreneurs use AI to grow their businesses. My audience is busy and needs practical, easy-to-implement advice. Generate 15 clickable YouTube video titles about using AI for marketing. Focus on beginner-friendly topics that solve a specific problem, like saving time or increasing sales. See how specific that is? The AI will now spit out a list of fantastic ideas, often better and more varied than what you might come up with on your own in an hour of brainstorming. You'll get titles like, Stop Wasting Time, Automate Your Social Media with this AI tool. I built a 30-day content calendar in 10 minutes using AI. The top 3 AI tools every small business owner needs to know. This isn't just about saving time, it's about leveraging a machine that has processed a vast portion of the internet to understand what makes people click. Your job now is to review this list. Not every idea will be a winner, and that's okay. You are still the creative director. Read through the AI-generated titles and pick the top 3 to 5 that genuinely excite you and feel like a perfect fit for your audience. This combination of AI-powered generation and human-led curation is the core of this new workflow. You're not replacing your creativity, you're amplifying it. You're using AI as an infinitely knowledgeable brainstorming partner who works at the speed of light. Now, let's move on to validating which of these great ideas has the best chance of success. Having a list of clickable titles is a great start, but we can't rely on gut feeling alone. We need data. We need to validate our ideas to make sure people are actually searching for these topics. This step is crucial for avoiding the heartbreaking experience of spending hours on a video that nobody watches. A great free tool for this is Google Trends. It shows interest in a topic over time. First, take your top video idea and simplify it into a few keywords. If your title is the top 3 AI tools, every small business owner needs to know. Your keywords might be AI tools for business or AI marketing tools. Head over to Google Trends and plug these terms in. A rising trend line is a fantastic sign. You can also see related queries for more keyword ideas. Next, do a quick search directly on YouTube. Type your keywords into the YouTube search bar and see what comes up. Pay close attention to the search predictions as you type. These are real searches from real users. Gold. Once you search, look at the top-ranking videos. Are they getting a lot of views? If you see videos with hundreds of thousands of views, or even millions of views, that's proof there's a big audience. Not a reason to be discouraged, it's proof of concept. Now look for a gap. Your goal isn't to copy these successful videos, but to find a way to do it better, differently, or for a more specific sub-audience. Can you make it more up-to-date? Can you make it shorter and more to the point? Can you explain it more simply for absolute beginners? You now have an idea that is not only creative but also has a proven audience, dramatically increasing your chances of success. Now that you have a validated idea, it's time to create a simple plan. We're not writing the full script yet, we're creating a short content brief. This is a one-page blueprint for your video that will guide the entire creation process. This document will serve as your North Star, keeping you on track and making the next steps much easier. Your brief should contain 4 key elements. Final title, target audience, core promise, 3-act structure. First, the final video title. Write down the exact clickable headline you plan to use. For example, I built a YouTube video with AI in 15 minutes, start to upload. Second, define the target audience in 1 sentence. This video is for aspiring creators and entrepreneurs who want to make YouTube videos but feel overwhelmed. Third, list the core promise or takeaway. By the end of this video, you will know the step-by-step process to create a complete YouTube video using AI tools. The fourth and final part of your brief is a simple 3-act structure. Just 3 bullet points. Act 1, the hook and the problem. This is where you'll grab their attention and introduce the challenge. Act 2, the step-by-step solution. This is the main body of your video where you deliver the value. Act 3, the call to action and conclusion. This is where you'll summarize and tell them what to do next. 1. Hook. Show the overwhelming traditional process versus the fast AI process. 2. Solution. Walk through the AI workflow. Idea, script, voice, visuals, publish. 3. CTA. Tell them to start now and subscribe to Neuro AI. That's it. That's your entire brief. With this simple document, you have everything you need to move into the scripting phase. You have a validated idea and a solid plan. The foundation is laid. Now let's build on it. 1. Step 5. The AI ghostwriter, crafting the perfect script. 2. Step 6. Structuring for success, hooks, body, CTA. 3. Step 7. Summoning the voice, AI text-to-speech. 4. Step 8. Perfecting the performance, pacing polish. We have a validated idea. We have a solid blueprint. Now, it's time to write the words that will captivate your audience. This is where many creators get stuck, staring at a blank page for hours. But not you. You have a secret weapon, an AI ghostwriter. We are going to take our content brief and feed it to an AI language model like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate a complete video script. This step feels like pure magic. It will turn your structured ideas into a flowing, engaging narrative in seconds. Here's a powerful prompt template. Act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Write a script for a 15-minute video titled, Your Video Title. The target audience is your target audience. Tone. Dramatic, engaging, easy to understand, B1 reading level. Follow this 3-act structure. Paste your 3-act structure here. Start with a strong hook. End with a clear call to action to subscribe to Neuro AI. Include placeholders for visuals like image description. The AI will produce a nearly complete first draft script. This isn't replacing your voice. It's getting you 90% of the way there in 1% of the time. Your role shifts from writer to editor. Read the AI-generated script. Does it flow well? Does it sound like you? This is where you inject your own flavor. Tweak sentences. Change words to match your style. Add a personal anecdote or a specific example the AI wouldn't know. Make the script yours. An AI-generated script is a powerful tool, but to make it truly effective, you need to ensure it has the 3 critical components of a high-retention video: a killer hook, a value-packed body, a compelling call to action. The hook is everything. It's the first 5 to 15 seconds of your video, and it determines whether a viewer sticks around or clicks away. Your AI will have written an intro, but you need to make sure it's magnetic. You could sharpen it to, you're wasting hundreds of hours making videos. Today, I'll show you how to do it in 15 minutes, start to finish. Get the hook right, and you've won half the battle for watch time. Next, review the body of the script. Use clear signposts. Alright, the first step is, now that we have our script, let's move on to the voice. Break down complex ideas into simple, digestible chunks. Use short sentences. Avoid jargon. The goal is clarity, not complexity. Finally, we have the call to action, or CTA. The AI will draft a basic outro, but you need to make it direct and compelling. Tell them to subscribe to Neuro AI for more game-changing AI strategies. Leave a comment below with the first AI video you're going to make. A strong CTA transforms a one-time viewer into a subscriber into a fan, and a fan into a community member. You have a polished script. Now you need a voice. For many new creators, recording their own voice is a huge barrier. You might not like the sound of your voice, you might not have a quiet place to record, or you might not own a quality microphone. Forget all of that. We are going to use an AI text-to-speech, or TTS tool, to generate a professional human-like voiceover for our script. We're not talking about the robotic, monotone voices of the past. Modern AI voices are filled with inflection, emotion, and nuance. The process is incredibly simple. You choose a voice from their vast library. You can filter by gender, accent, and style. For our channel, we'd select a male voice, a clear American accent, a dramatic or narrative tone. Once you've chosen your voice actor, you simply copy and paste your script directly into the tool. Then, with a single click of a button, the AI generates the audio file. These tools don't just read the text, they allow you to direct the performance. You can adjust the speed, pitch, volume, go through your script in the TTS tool and strategically insert these short pauses. This simple act of adding breathing room completely transforms the listening experience. Next, let's talk about subtitles. Subtitles are no longer optional on YouTube. They are essential. A huge portion of viewers watch videos with the sound off. Since you already have the complete script, this is incredibly easy. Most video editing software allows you to import a script file and will automatically generate timed captions from it. By thinking about pacing and subtitles at this stage, you are designing the complete auditory and visual text experience for your viewer, ensuring maximum clarity, engagement, and professionalism. Step 9. Painting the canvas. AI-powered visuals. Step 10. The director's chair, scene planning and shot lists. Step 11. The assembly line, a modern editing workflow. Step 12. The final polish, thumbnails and motion graphics. A powerful voiceover needs equally powerful visuals. This is what keeps your audience's eyes glued to the screen. We can now generate stunning, relevant, completely custom visuals in a matter of seconds. We are going to build a library of visual assets for our video using AI image generators. Beyond static images, the world of AI-generated video is exploding. Tools like Runway ML or Pika Labs can take a text prompt and create a short video clip. Finally, don't forget the power of screen recordings. Since our video is a step-by-step guide, showing the actual tools in action is critical. Now, we need a plan to connect them. We need to create a simple scene plan or a shot list. This document maps out which visual will appear on screen at which point in the voiceover. This will save you hours of frustration. It turns the edit from a chaotic guessing game into a simple, follow the instructions assembly process. The plan is complete. The assets are ready. It's time to assemble our video. We're following a simple, 4-step assembly line. Lay down the audio, place the visuals, add music and sound effects, add the subtitles. You're not making creative decisions anymore. You are simply executing the plan you already made. The thumbnail is arguably the most important single piece of marketing for your video. Use a simple design tool like Canva. A great thumbnail has 3 components: a compelling, AI-generated background, a large, easy-to-read text headline, and optionally, a cutout of a human face showing emotion. Now for the final layer of polish inside the video motion graphics. You don't need to be an expert. Many modern video editors have built-in libraries of motion graphics templates. Your video is now complete, polished, and ready for the world. But hitting publish is not the final step. We need to prepare it for liftoff by optimizing all the metadata. This is your chance to speak directly to the algorithm. Finally, add chapters or timestamps. This is a massive win for user experience. It allows viewers to jump directly to the sections they care about most. The first 24 to 48 hours of a video's life are critical. Actively push your content across every channel you have. It's time to make some noise. Dive into your YouTube analytics. This data is pure gold. It tells you what's working and what isn't. The excuses are gone. The tools are here. The path is clear. You now possess the knowledge to go from idea to uploaded YouTube video in a fraction of the time it used to take. The only thing standing between you and your first AI-powered video is action. So I'm calling you out. Start now. Your audience is waiting. If you're ready to continue pushing the boundaries and leveraging AI for explosive growth, subscribe to Neuro AI. We're just getting started.